We are getting some breaking news from Salt Lake in Kolkata. Visuals of protests that are underway demanding justice for Abhaya. A parallel march is also underway at Jantar Mantar in the national capital. I am being joined by my colleagues Riyanka from New Delhi and Bittu from Kolkata, joining from Republic Bangla. These are visuals of the protest march that is underway at Salt Lake in Kolkata. Going to my colleague Riyanka, who is reporting from Jantar Mantar in Delhi. Riyanka, what are the protesters saying and demanding?
See, once again, the healthcare workers have hit the streets of the national capital, and here at Jantar Mantar, these are the members of the FIMA and other healthcare associations who have joined in, as well as there are a few resident doctors also who are present here, and they are constantly raising their voice of seeking justice for R.G. Kaur, a victim, as well as the implementation of the Central Protection Act, and they are furious over the lapses and how this case has gone forward in terms of the incapability of the Kolkata police to handle the entire case. We'll go ahead and speak to the doctors who are joining in here. आपसे पूछना चाहूँगी, आप यहाँ पे प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, सीपीए की मांग की जा रही है, बार बार सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी इस मामले का जनाजा लिया है, क्या कहेंगे?
मैम, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आश्वासन दिया है, उसके इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा है. वी कम्प्लीटली ट्रस्ट आवर चीफ जस्टिस, वी कम्प्लीटली ट्रस्ट आवर जुडिशरी सिस्टम, वी कम्प्लीटली ट्रस्ट आवर सुप्रीम कोर्ट. बट हाँ, हमें एक इम्प्लीमेंटेशन सेंट्रल प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट दैट शुड बी पास, लेजिस्लेशन सेंट्रली पास हमें चाहिए बिकॉज वी वांट आवर सेफ्टी टू बी प्रायोरिटाइज्ड. कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूट, भी गवर्नमेंट, प्राइवेट, नर्सिंग होम, मोहल्ला क्लिनिक, छोटे से छोटा इंस्टीट्यूट जहाँ पे भी हो, हेल्थ केयर वर्कर्स की सुरक्षा शुड बी प्रायोरिटी फॉर द गवर्नमेंट, एंड दैट्स व्हाट वी आर हियर फॉर. वी ऑल्सो डिमांड फास्ट ट्रैक जस्टिस फॉर द विक्टिम. जो विक्टिम है उसके लिए फास्ट से फास्ट जस्टिस दी जाए.
So fast track justice is what is the demand. We'll also go ahead and speak to more doctors who are here protesting. So what do you have to say? There have been lapses that have been seen in this case in Kolkata, and now there is demands for justice as well as the implementation of CPA.
Yeah, still waiting for justice for that lady. It's been pretty long, and I don't know. The case went from the local police to the CBI, and still we are in the dark. Hardly any direction the case has taken. So as far as the case is concerned, we are pretty disappointed. And as far as the Supreme Court committee of meeting our demands is concerned, looks more like a Sarkari committee, which would give certain suggestions which might be followed, which might not be followed, which might not be binding. See, our demand is if any such recommendations come from the committee, they should be binding on every hospital, on every medical college, in every workplace, wherever there are health workers. Secondly, the Supreme Court committee has not covered single doctor clinics, smaller nursing homes. What about them? They face more violence in day in and day out than the bigger hospitals. The bigger hospitals, one, you people show. The smaller ones, you don't even care. And the amount of violence we face as a single doctor clinic in smaller labs and smaller diagnostic centers is huge. So both ways, as far as justice to the lady is concerned, pretty disappointed till now, and as far as the Supreme Court committee is concerned, not very hopeful with that.
We have been cheated all the time, from years together, I tell you. Something has been done for engineers, for other everything, but nothing has been done for doctors. Really? We are always, head of boss is IAS, even now. So, I mean, these things, that is why we say, if you want really, अगर धोखा देना हो किसी को तो उसको मेडिकल में डाल दो. Because we are sufferers till the last. So many times, 36 hours of service, and after that rape has been done. She has been murdered, and after that what has happened? Everything has been hushed back. Yeah, immediately dissection was done. After postmortem, immediately she was, cremated. Just imagine, without telling the parents. They were, for 3 hours they were kept aside even for seeing their daughters. So this is what is happening. And I mean, just imagine from high ups, it has been done as a suicide case. Yeah, so I mean, it's a real pathetic for doctors, you know. So we have to fight actually. That only what they do, they'll say, okay, one committee has been formed and it will decide, but nothing comes out.
Right,
Years
Priyanka,
together, it
so
has been
I
done
think
so
I
many
would like
times,
to
so many
interrupt
times.
you there.